boy Chef Perry here, the vegan gorilla, and today I'm going to talk about just a pre-workout recipe that I usually take a couple times a week. Gives me that little extra juice to get going. So I don't know where I'm uniform. I'm going to be working out in about 30 minutes. So I'm going to whip this together. A little proteins and carbs and some good fats, hopefully. And that'll be my pre-workout fuel for the day. So hopefully that'll help. Seems in the past I kind of keep track of things that work for me and stuff. So I find I get a lot of good bursts of energy from this about 30 minutes after eating it. So let's get it going. Also, before I get started, I just want to let you know I got a live cooking class coming up on introducing Vegan Basics 101. Friday special, $25. It's cut it in half. I usually charge about $50 for it, but it'll be 90 minutes on Zoom. I'll send out pre-list of some ingredients. We'll do a couple of little appetizers, but I'll talk about some knife handlings and types of cuts, benefits, pantry needs, essentials and stuff like that, and veganism starting up. So anyways, if it's something you're interested in, leave a link in below, and it's under live clip classes. So you can click on that and join that, and I'd love to see you there. So anyways, that's it. All right, let's go. So, whole wheat tortilla, simple. I got extra roasted peanut butter. Obviously, if you got allergies to peanut butter, don't do this. You can switch it up to something else if you want, and maybe some Nutella and stuff. But put a tablespoon, spread it out there. Kind of put it in the middle. And then I have my banana. Gorilla Blade bananas. Okay. That banana's a little bit. So I'm going to have to break that. And it's going to be a little long too, so. Anyways, let's fix that up. Get a little piece off. No piece off. Perfect. Gives me enough room on each side to fold it in. Oh yeah. Okay. So I need a cloth. I don't have with me. Oh yeah. Okay. So let's get that going. I'll get this little Chefy Blue knife. Okay, so now we've got a nice banana, some peanut butter, what we've got. Now I like to put in is some ground flaxseed. So I got a tablespoon of ground flaxseed here. Seems like a lot. It kind of is, I guess. But then I'm going to use a tablespoon of whole organic chia seeds. And throw that in. Put it right on top of the banana. Right. Like that. Excellent. Okay. And about 2 tablespoons of blueberries. Run away, blueberry! Run away! Don't go away. Okay. And the most important ingredient of all, all right, we got our banana thing wrap here. We got that, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon, probably like a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon actually. And that's it. So if you're not sure how to roll a wrap, this is different ways you can do it. This is the way I do it. Pick up both ends, like so. Fold it over, squeeze back. Take that little ball, tuck in your corners. Those little blueberries are try to get out all the time on you. Tuck it in, reach your roll. A little more tuck. A little more tuck. There you have it. Voila. Little pre-workout fuel. So let's give this a little test. Oh yeah. All right, folks. No surprise from me here. I've had this lots of times, but I'll grade it for you. Let's go. 1 to 5 for gorillas. Let's see what happens. 1 being E, 5 being Weta. Oh yeah. Good texture, soft. The peanut butter and the banana obviously goes well together. That's Elvis. And blueberries give it a little bit of extra sweetness in there. That's all. I don't put it in there. I get a little bit of a crunch from the chia seeds because I got a full tablespoon in there, and tastes a little bit of the flax seeds. So everything's coming together. Hint of the cinnamon. It's really good. I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 riddles. And the reason I give it 5 and not any less because I've had this many times, and I find this works for me as far as pre-workout fuel. So I'm going to eat this in about 20, 30 minutes, about 30 minutes, and then little pump on it. All right? Okay. So thank you for watching. And if I don't see you again, or when I do see you again, namaste. Much love.